General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance. Content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, Monday is not a trading day. Hold up. This is the wrong chart. Let me get over here. So there's New York reversal profile. Interesting. So the sale finally came, but came up here. What is this? H1 rejection block. Sold off. Came into this order block. Retraced. We had a double bottom here. Broke through it in Asia. We're just melting right now. Like this the gingerbread man that's running. Reversal profile. We left a double bottom. With London. Well, it's really not a double bottom. It's relative equal lows because they might be not perfect. It might even be a situation where this is not a failure swing. Yep. So we took this low here. London took, New York AM. New York AM swept London low, but didn't close. PM session consolidated, which was that. Was it? You can't even really say it's AM rally. It's like AM decline, PM consolidation. The H1 fair value gap was, hold on, go back. We could use this again, but we got us a new week opening gap. We don't need this. Coming to this old low, this rejection block, and all this cool, interesting stuff down here. Beautiful, beautiful discount run. We might get a retracement after this, so that way we can go lower. Because we got all this beautiful goodness down here. That'll be ideal. Did we grab the link? Okay. We need to swing low. And a dealing range. Then we could push. I think AMD is tomorrow. Hold on, let's go over here. Yeah, AMD's tomorrow. Palantir was today, and it dropped. AMD earnings tomorrow. Let's go to the daily. Okay, this is open and messed up. Let's put this close here, open here. Only this interval. This would be interesting to sell from again. It kind of lines up with this. This is like an inverse gap right here as well. There's a few little areas in here. We can just sell retracements and watch. This is first, so I'm going to take this off. And it's also no need to mark this up candle because this stops at the up candle. And we have lower targets. Previous week's low is first. Really, this is first, but it might as well reaccumulate. It might as well take out all this. Okay. Longest first target. Selling retracements. This could be, I think this could be Monday could be the high of the week. Yeah, it's just facts. Matter of fact, we look for retracement over here. Because that's displacement, if I ever seen it. And it just took liquidity. The way it's selling, it's setting up for a buy. Like, yeah. Nah. Tuesday could be low of the week. It's not Monday, could be high of the week. Tuesday could be low of the week. Monday could be the high though, still, but we going too fast. We just took out this low. We just took out previous day's low. Okay. All right, so we took out previous day's low on silver as well. Silver's supposed to be bullish. We bearish right now. Could be retracing. I like the London high of the day, my London high of the day profile. That's the thing. Time is it now? London starts 2 hours. Let's see what we got over here. What's really going on? Where's our weekly setup? Are we gonna buy from breaker block? We kind of respecting the order block, but take it off. We didn't create a fair value gap when we had the reaction. Oh, low. Just look for sales here. Maybe Tuesday low of the week here too. Prices expanding lower. Now we look to sell retracements to target low. Yeah, look at this weekly fair value gap too. Just this low in general on the daily. Like we rejected here, no real CSD. Just sell. Okay, hold on. Targeting the swing low on the daily. Going to sell retracements here. Here as well. Okay. 15. Let's look over here. Save and close. Hold on one second. This is the low I'm watching. And yeah, that's silver. I'll watch this session. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy price action right now, man. Silver's like melting. Hold on. Let me pause. All right. Cool. Put this back up. Watch this low. Okay, so what is EU doing? Yesterday, choppy ugly day. Small range Monday. Cool. I'm actually excited for EU now. Let's make sure this is recording. Cool. Okay. Small range Monday. Yeah. Right here, the PMIs would dropped it. We're not closing below here. Let's look at the dollar on the daily. We almost there. Looks like it's finna pull back now. So we should be able to sell. We want to sell above Monday's high. In all actuality. It's all kinds of equal highs on the futures chart, on the Euro futures. Same time frame, go to the 30-minute over here. Nah, it's something wrong. Oh no, it's not nothing wrong. It's just a lot of them. These futures charts be equal high up, especially this euro. I got an equal high indicator. It's just equal highs. Here, let me show you. Look at all these equal highs. Look crazy. Yeah, this ain't nothing right here. Look at this hour. Yeah, I can't plan to trade with all them equal high lines. Long live Forex. A sweep above here. Sales above here. This is order pairing. Here. And here. So look for buys up here. Look for sales. Hold up. So here, I just don't like the way this looks. I'm not even know. Over here is way more interesting. London's gonna chop when Asia does this. Yeah. London for EU might actually be the best one because silver is it's too expensive. Well, not silver, but NASDAQ. It still has the potential because NASDAQ is NASDAQ. That's why people like NASDAQ, but this has a good point. Let's see here with Charles the 4th at 10. That's tomorrow, so no high impact news. London can set up the buy for Monday's high on EU. Go to the daily. Okay, that's supposed to stay here. And this. It's really about this. Right here. So here, we should start flying. Is this Tuesday's candle too? Yeah. Especially if it's Tuesday low of the day. Tuesday low of the day, we fly. NASDAQ is looking like it want to retrace now. Probably to sell some more. We hit the delivery objective. I think this could be the low. And start staging in buys. Like for real. Yeah. Gotta finish my that's not what I really, that's more of a to-do list. What if I started off, I gotta finish my and I can only do one model. I learned a lot too much. Tuesday low of the week. That stands out right now. Maybe I'll think of something later. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day and peace. There we go.